Alright guys, so what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm busy with work and other stuff. Today we're going to be unboxing the Batista figure from WWE back in the days. So let's see what it comes with and let's see how it looks. Okay, I had already undo the tape right there. Tape right here. There we go. There we go. Hopefully that's all the tape comes with. Oh, nice. At least we're not gonna be struggling getting it out of the package, huh? Okay. The figure, nice box. So comes with like 3 sets of hands plus the ones that already come in the actual figure. I guess 3 heads, the contract signing, shirt, and the title. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so basically like I said, it comes with the 3 sets of hands, the basically 3 heads, the shirt, the championship, which is pretty cool, and something I just noticed, I thought it was just like random contracts for the, I guess it says the WrestleMania, but if you look in the back of them, if you actually follow his career, or at least the wrestling shows from that era, he was supposed to pick which brand he was supposed to go, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so now let's see the actual figure. Seems a little like it's not tight enough, just as I'm like basically barely getting it. It just feels like it won't stand. Like if you actually put weight into his arms or chest, it don't seem like he's actually gonna hold the pose. It'll probably hold it on its own, but I don't feel like it will hold it alone. And it's kind of, oh yeah, it needs to break in a little bit. I'm not sure if it's because of the elbow pad or what. The tattoos, they look pretty good actually. I mean, detail wise it's pretty good. I cannot say it's not, but you can tell it's a little bit like wobble head. Like everything really, like even the chest piece is kind of like, you can even hear it. But I mean, it stands pretty easy. And then it's a little bit, make sure. So you got articulation on the knees, on the shoulders. Actually, shoulders go all the way back a little bit. That's pretty cool. Obviously, the chest, the head, and the legs. They can actually bend them around. And the toes, the actual whole foot it moves. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, guys, I just feel like it's a little bit too wobbly for me. Like this arm is sort of, there we go. It just needed to be broken in, I guess. That'd be a whole injury. Oh, but yeah, it has like elbow and wrist, so seems like it's gonna be pretty pulsable. I'm not sure. Seems like it will stay, which is pretty cool because usually you have to like actually fight on them so they can stay. But let's try them with different poses, guys. There you go with his signature pose, thumbs down. Yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. I don't know if that face matches with that pose a little bit. Let's see the next one. The other one, he's kind of like smiling, so we're gonna put that on there. Yeah, thumbs down, thumbs up, whichever one you want to do it. Now let's try to put him with the title, maybe even with the shirt. Let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so that's with the shirt right there. It actually fits pretty good. Just I would say be a little bit careful with the shirt. It feels like it's a little bit delicate. Yeah, it's pretty good. Maybe a different face on it. Let's see the last one if you haven't tried. It actually don't click when you put the head, so try not to like push too hard on it. But yeah, here we go with the last face. Let's try to put on the title. Maybe different hands. guys. World champion. I think the title on the shirt looks pretty good. Kinda like just posting the title up. Otherwise be a good video right here. And say you wanna make him pick brands, that's pretty cool. If not, there you go. That's your toy unboxing for this time. Hopefully you like it. That way now you know how it actually looks before you spend your I think it was $30 on it. But I think it's worth it, guys. You don't actually see too many Batista toys that often anymore. Actually, I never really saw many, but obviously now you don't see them at all. So yeah, hopefully you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.